How's it going? So I'm about to wash my hair. Oh, hello. I didn't even see you there. I see you stumbled across my video. Well, I've got to tell you, you're in luck, buddy. All right. I'm about to wash my hair, then I'm gonna twist it, then I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna do a side part, like twist out. That's what I'm gonna do. And so when I wash my hair, I use the Miel shampoo. It's black owned. Get into it. I use this melanin leave-in conditioner. This is also black owned. I used it once, but I really like it. It's like, I really like it. I got it from Ulta. This FOG stuff. I got my hair straightened like a while ago. I feel like I got like just a little bit of heat damage. Just scared me to death. So I got this. It's just like a reconstructor. It keeps your hair strengthened and stuff like that. It just reconstructs it. It's not bad. The heat damage is not bad. It's just enough to irritate me. It's nothing serious. At least that's what I tell myself. So yeah, I put this in also. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm back. I'm done washing my hair. Let me tell you, if you're in the shower washing your hair and you start to see stars, it's time to get out. Take a break because you need it. It didn't happen to me this time, but it's happened to me a few times. Take the break. Ain't that serious. Okay. I thought it was, but it's not. It's not damaged. See, it worked. Okay, but it wasn't that bad, so whatever. So I'm gonna start doing my twist, twisting it up and everything. So, okay. But when I'm drying my hair, like towel drying, I use a t-shirt because it's supposed to help with like breakage. Because I heard that when you use a towel, it like breaks off your hair and everything. It just makes it like really dry or something. So I use a towel. I'm not a towel. I don't use a towel. I don't use a towel. I don't use a towel. I use a t-shirt. A t-shirt stops breakage, and I think it keeps it moisturized. It's just healthy. It's just better. A t-shirt, not a towel. Okay, so I'm sectioning my hair off, and then I'm gonna twist it, and we're gonna do that, just like that. And I have this this castor oil. I got this from CVS, but you can get it. I use this as well. Sometimes I use it on my scalp, but I hear you're not supposed to use it on your scalp. I use it, so it don't matter. This coconut grease, hair gel, moisture grow, whatever. I use this as well, and it really keeps it moisturized and everything. So let's get into the twisting, all right? The twisting. Let's get into it. So I'm starting from the back because I think it's just easier when you start from the back. I don't know. I got my shower comb. What do I do? What was I about to say? I detangle it in the shower. Yes, that's what I was gonna say. I detangle in the shower. It's a little bit more. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells so minty. It smells like spearmint, to be exact. It smells like spearmint. Oh, and it feels so good on my hair. It feels so good. Ooh. Ooh. Now you see me standing here. Do I look good, my dear? Do I look good today? Okay. It smells so nice. I'm gonna put this on my scalp. Okay. Y'all know. So for my twists, if I'm just gonna take them out, I don't really care how they look. I am gonna go out today, but not go out. I'm just going to the gym, so I don't know. We'll see what they turn out. It doesn't really matter. Let me do that. See me standing here. Do I look good, my dear? That smells so good. That smells really good, like really, really good. Okay. See, this is kind of, it's not like a big piece, but it's like a big enough piece, you know? I gotta get my money's worth. Scrape it up. Let's see what it's hitting for. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Do I look good? My deep twist. Okay. She cute or whatever. I'm supposed to meet up to go to the gym with my friends around 4 or 5 ish. Ish. What time is it? 2:12. We gonna see, okay? I should be done by then. I should be done. If anything, I'll just say 5, right? 3 more sections to go. Let's go. The fire is shooting at us. Okay. Let me stop acting like I don't have nowhere to go. Let me stop acting like I don't have anywhere to go. Okay. Okay, hurt my mouth. Okay, let's get her done. It is 3:15. I'm done. Thank you, Jesus. What time is it? 3:52. We going to the gym around 5. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, that took a while, but we're finished. See this? It's not supposed to be this straight. Compared to this, it's all supposed to be one nice and juicy, thick. This is no good. But I have to. I will. Eventually. Okay. The curls, the twist, it's giving. It's giving. So I'm gonna take this out tomorrow. So I'm about to go to the gym. I would like put it back, and that's the way to stretch it out too. So I'm gonna just do half and half, like this. Do that. Everything's nice and moisturized, you know, my hands. Nice and moisturized. Got the little ponytail going. See what it look like. Back. The side. The bounciness. Okay. I'm gonna take this out tomorrow morning. Alright, for real. I'm gonna see you tomorrow morning. It's tomorrow. I'm about to take these out, and yeah. So this is the finished product. It's really crazy to see. I guess it's not that crazy because let's say if I were to like blow dry my hair and then do like a twist out or a braid out, it'd be totally different. Like this versus if I did a braid out or if I made the twist bigger, it would be an entirely different outcome. So I'm definitely gonna incorporate those types of videos also. So but yeah, this is the final product from when I just washed my hair and just twisted it up and took it out. And I did a little edges. I'm still working on my edges, so yeah. And this is like a headband. It's not a legit headband. It was like a piece of, you know, a makeshift headband. So, and it has like this, like still left. But see, the trick is if you're wearing a hoodie or like a big shirt or like a jacket, like if it's not like that hot where you're wearing like a t-shirt or something, you could tuck it in the back, and look. And what? What? Nobody knows a thing. You have to make it work. Tim Gunn. I did have to like unravel the twist, separate it a lot more, and like so it can be more full. Because when you do small twists like that, it's gonna show up more singles instead of like a fuller look. So if you want a fuller look, you gotta, you know, make it work. Like I said. So yeah. So this is it. The Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shine and Mist. Spray this. It's supposed to reduce like frizzing and everything and keeps the shine, and it's also for moisturization. Is moisturization a word? This gives it the shine moisturization. And of course it's gonna look different over like the next few days, maybe more full. I feel like the second and third day is like the best day because it gets like looser and you can do more with it, but that's me. But yes, so I hope you like this video and I hope you like actually like it like on your screen. I see you've just finished watching my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment.